are you guys doing? Literally today I've just been cleaning from this morning. Today's Saturday. I've been cleaning from this morning and kind of like decorating my space. So yeah, that me I do from morning. I only had like breakfast. I had some lunch. It's probably dinner time now. I don't even know the time. But I've been caught up cleaning. I'm still a clean. I don't know when I'm gonna stop. But you know, once you get in already my things, you kind of just there, you continue, and that's a go on right now. So now I'm just try to decorate my dresser area. That's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm trying to like clear up the stuff them off it to decorate the space, and then I'm gonna finish it. So let's see if I can get some food to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. The other day, I remember you guys saw that I did like a cook with me from last week. Was it last week? I think it was from last week. I did like a little cook with me, and I still have sweet and sour chicken left, so I might eat that. I might eat that for dinner, but I just need to cook some extra rice. So my day right now is, obviously I try to decorate this whole space. I'm not sure now, because I think, anyways, I'm doing a decorating, like a home series. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Turn on the post notification, that way when I upload any form of home series, you guys will see it if you're kind of like into this kind of stuff. So this now got a part of the home series, so why not just show you guys what I'm doing to this area. So this is my dresser area. I kind of moved my dresser over this area here, and I kind of put up like a frame and this mirror, and I'm really loving the vibe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate the top of the dresser, like remove these stuff, kind of make it be a little bit more minimal than what I want, because right now I think it's just a little bit too clustered. So I'm gonna remove the stuff them and kind of like decorate it in a one better way. I have 22% from my battery, so fingers crossed the battery not dead in a couple of years. If not, then we can charge her or we can use the phone going on. Nobody stop way, don't it? So yeah, so I have like quite a few perfumes here. I think to take out some of the perfume and just have just a bit. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so I think to take off some of the perfume and just have a few, like the ones I use on a daily, instead of everything. And then my jewelry thing. Oops. And then my jewelry thing, which I have all my gold jewelry here. I only wear gold. I don't really wear silver. I don't think silver goes well with my skin tone, or maybe it's just not my preference. I prefer to wear gold. So yeah. So first we need to just wipe off this. So I'm gonna start with like a clean area. Like honestly guys, I wish I could like vlog every single day. One, there is not much going on, and two, the editing for the vlog is like, yeah, there ain't no space I be bad these days, like memory storage I be bad. But so I'm just take the vlog them when them come, not it. I just take them when them come. But one of the main reasons though, and not because of the editing, I'm not too mind the editing like that. One of the main reasons is not much really not going. So if you guys like look at home vlog them, let me know me create a home vlog them, because me and my head I say not much not going, there's nothing to really show you guys. So it not even make no sense my vlog or no like that. So yeah, I need to look a napkin to kind of wipe this off. Let me get some napkin. Like literally what I've been doing each day is, what I do each day, I on my computer sometime, either I try edit or I on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. If on Instagram, or a lot of shopping, online shopping, because I'm trying to finish decorate my space. Because I'm there warm day in the space, then I just decide, okay, I'm just going to try and like bite the bullet and just finish it. And I think we bite the bullet. The main thing for me was trying to find the pieces But I finally found a rug. You guys will see that in my homeware haul. It probably will be up before this video. I finally find a rug. I'm gonna finally find like a color scheme I want to go with for now. But know me, 3 months time down the line, I change it because I just so mistake. I just constantly change stuff. I don't know why I'm so indecisive, but that's a story for another time. So the pieces I'm gonna get, I think we'll finally get like the main pieces. There's nothing else really more than like little pieces here and there. So once we finish the bedroom, I'm gonna try and finish like the bathroom and stuff. But you guys will see it in the home series anyway, because I'm gonna decorate them space, they wouldn't know. But for the whole entire bedroom, I don't know if I'm gonna do like a house bedroom tour. I don't know, I don't think so. But we will see little corners in the room, and then you can just piece it together for yourself. So this is one of the corner them way. You know what I say? It's a kind of decorated area, because one of the things I'm gonna do with the dresser here, I even put it on my Instagram as well. I don't know, I can put it in dress or sometime I'm going to find it. Yeah, so I put it on my Instagram that I wanted like a different, because I have like the mom dresser from IKEA, and I kind of customize it to put like some different handles and stuff. Let me show you some different handles and stuff. So I added like some gold handles, and I wanted to take this dresser out because I think it's so bulky in the space, but I couldn't find an alternative, and I have like so much stuff. I literally just don't know where to put them because we kind of lack storage in this house. So I said, okay, let me make the dresser stay and kind of remove stuff so its place still feel kind of airy in some sense, and decorate this area so it don't look too bad. So that's my area, you know, and it's really nice. I'm glad I made the decision here. So now we can put all the clothes in a jar, because I literally take out all of the clothes and put them in a suitcase so I can't reach them, under the bedroom I can't reach them, and it's like madness. So it's a stay right, so we're just going to decorate the space here, that's what I say. So I got this vase today. I bought this on the H&M. I bought this the other day and it literally came today. So I'm gonna be putting this here. A little bit here. Yeah. That look good right there, so I'm gonna put it over here, so or should I put it here? Yes, it look better. I don't know, only because sometimes I go and like take a little picture right here, so or something. Put it right here, so should I put like a little pampas in it or something? Let's try with some pampas. I have like some spare pampas that I kind of put on windowsill just to kind of hide them a bit. You like that? Should I leave that like that? Make we leave it and see how it stays. We're gonna sleep on it tonight and see how that stays. And also got this. You will know the story behind this if you watch the homeware haul come about this. So I think I'm gonna, which one am I gonna put where am I gonna put my jewelry there? I probably can put them on my decks, put my decks and stuff there. I'll put the jewelry them up and so, and then perfume them on top like where it's there, or change the perfume. So I kind of want up so not have much I go on feet, but it look nice same way. Not that a bad remember for. I have like a smaller jewelry box now, but the jewelry box there, I can't even find my jewelry in it, so it doesn't even make much sense. So if I have this right here, so we have her as well. She can probably steal some here, so she look nice right there, so yeah. I have like a coffee table book. Probably like this mini share book. She can probably go right in front of her. And then we can have like the diffuser or something. They may look cute. What do you think? Comment below, let me know what you think. I'm gonna sleep on this tonight, honestly. My perfume them. I don't really use all of my perfume them at daytime. This one is my absolute fave. Like when I wear this, I smell like money, rich. This is like really good. I like to smell good. You smell what you attract. Is that it? What you smell like you attract. So I want to smell rich, so I attract all riches. Period. So I'm gonna leave her there, and then I'm gonna put a Chanel one. That's why not? Got some Burberry. She's like my little daily one. So I'll leave her. I use her in between with the Zara one, really nice, and the Armani. Is this even cute here? Should I leave them here or? This Joe Malone is really nice this spring. Me for real, Banshee. I haven't bought like a perfume in a while. I normally buy perfume like every single time. Even when I travel, I normally have to be picking up a perfume when I travel because you get them cheaper. But I don't know if you're gonna have. I don't know if you're gonna have duty free again in the UK because I'm here, so they must have the duty free. You know, duty free, you save a little money here and there when you travel. You normally buy something, but again, we're in a corona time, so when we're gonna get to travel anyways. I'm gonna leave it like that. This is cute. And then the little tray that I'm probably gonna use in my bathroom or something. But let me see how this really look without she. Because if she look nice without her, then we can probably find another space. What you guys think? Does over here with the perfume there, does it look good like that? Or let me put it back. I should not show you before I do this. Boy. I don't know if I like this black book here. This black book here. Or does it look better with the jewelry thingy at the bottom of it? What you guys think? This is what we have going so far. Do you prefer the vase with the pampas or without the pampas? Or do you prefer with the pampas and this, or without that? Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna sleep on it like this, and then when we wake up in the morning we'll see how we feel. So yeah, that is that for now. For the little space. Look, I'm not too fishy right there, so I'm gonna move the black book, but I absolutely love the perfume on this. I'm about to get some food to eat. But I'm gonna eat some food, guys. Get some battery on my phone, so I'm gonna charge on my body. I'm gonna get some juice for my camera. I have some rice somebody in there because I'm have some rice. But me not tell her say a bun. But me one of the bun can't eat. Honestly, cooking, I just everyday cooking camera. The rice look like you can't eat. You can probably find some good rice in this one. Add it up and eat it. I've been decorating all day today. Forget to eat lunch after 8 now. I'm gonna just eat some dinner. I'm gonna eat some dinner and sit down in the sofa right there. So I have some editing to do, I have some content to create. It's more sweet or so now. I'm gonna go on the baked bean. I want to do the baked bean. I'm gonna do the baked bean. I just want a chicken now. I'm gonna do the baked bean, some rice and vegetable on the side. Squeeze some lemon on the veg. So that's what I'm gonna do. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog right there. So this was literally like a mini vlog. Literally like a mini vlog. I don't know the point of this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Anyways, and ensure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Tell me how your day been, what you've been doing. Overexposed. Come on. Yeah, tell me how your day been, what you've been doing to keep yourself busy, to keep your mind going, to keep motivated. Honestly, I've been so unmotivated the edit since the other day. I haven't been taking any Instagram pictures, posting, whatever, because I doesn't have the motivation, but I'm gonna try and take some pictures tomorrow. You know, sometimes when I really have the motivation, it doesn't even make no sense to do the work because they will say it's not done properly. I don't want to force stuff like that, especially because it's something that I really enjoy doing. I don't want to force it, I just want to create when the mind is there or when motivation is there. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, take some content and hopefully we can do my panogram. Even my ear, it alright, but it nah wow. So that I need to do over back. I need to get some braid for it over back because I did some passion twist. The passion twist them with a pull out because of how big it do, my hair kinda thick. And I end up having to pull out the twist them and plait them, and then the plait them small and kinda curl up because of the type of hair. So I just have it whatever. As long as my ear them, I'm not too gonna hold still. So as long as it kind of out of the way, I'm not too have to manipulate it. That's one of the things will really help. I don't even want to go in on this. I'm going to do like separate video. I'm going to talk about hair growth and stuff. But we're not going to go in it right so because we're going to do a separate video because I have something for you guys. Some tips, tricks, products will really help you guys when it comes down to like hair growth and stuff. I've been growing. I'm going to go in it. So I'm gonna stop from now. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And just remember guys to turn on the post notification, that way when I upload a new video you guys will be notified. And yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, morning, night. Have a good one and I'll catch you next time.